Hello everyone, I'm Abhinav Garg. I'm BTech from IIT Roorkee, MA Sociology from Delhi School of Economics, and have extensive experience in writing mains. In this video, I will discuss one question which weighs upon every aspirant's mind, that is how to make notes for UPSC preparation. Let me make it clear, this exam is more about information management rather than information collection. So effective note making is very essential aspect of this information management aspect. One common pattern that I have seen amongst the aspirants is that in the beginning of their preparation, every aspirant is very enthusiastic about this question, that how to make notes. But what happens is, as they go about making notes, after a week or 10 days, they are very demotivated regarding making notes. They feel it very cumbersome and taking much of their time. So they give up this exercise of note making altogether. Let me remind you everyone, any topper video I have seen, any topper interview I have seen, I have found one common denominator amongst all the toppers. That is, they had very nice, short, concise notes for revision during the end time or in the death moments of this exam. So, note making exercise is very essential, which should be done. So I will first discuss what are the don'ts of note making, which effectively demotivates aspirants to undertake this exercise till the completion. The one is, do not make your notes descriptive. Many times what happens is that aspirants start making notes and they end up reproducing what they have read in their their base material, their study material. Do not do that. For this, if you want to understand a particular topic in depth, visit your base material, visit your study material. For notes is primarily for revision, so just do not make those notes descriptive. And the second don't of note making is, do not make notes on everything you read. Do not make notes on each and everything you need. That is not necessary. And the third don't is, don't be restless and hasty regarding making notes. Because note making is a long and a continuous exercise which starts from the initial stages of your preparation and will last till 15 days before the mains exam that you will be writing. Having discussed the notes of don'ts of note making, I'll discuss what are the do's of note making. The first and foremost is, make your notes very concise and indicative. Make them in bullet points, very concise. Just include the key terms of subtopic that you need to remember, so that examiner will feel that yes, this person knows those key terms. And the second do that I would suggest for note making is that make your concise notes, which are very concise, very structured, and very nicely with very nice presentation, because it will enhance the visibility of your notes, which will help you in quick revision during the death moments of this preparation. So how to make your notes structured and with nice presentation? You make use of headings, subheadings, flowcharts, and diagrams. This will also help you in having nice set of flowcharts and diagrams which are explanatory and which can be used in actual answer writing. See, many aspirants now, this has become a fad, and very popular to include flowcharts and diagrams. Remember guys, it is a very double-edged sword, flowcharts and diagrams. Flowcharts and diagrams should aid the examiner in the explanation. It shouldn't confuse it. Many aspirants, in the overzealousness of including flowcharts and diagrams, they end up confusing the examiner, because those flowcharts and diagrams are not self-explanatory. They add to the confusion. So by making your notes structured and well represented, and practicing the flowcharts and diagrams which are well explanatory in the notes itself, it will take that the negative edge from this exercise. And the third do of note making exercise that I will suggest is that Include the concise definitions of all the topics and subtopics from the syllabus in your concise notes itself. What it will help you is in writing the introductions of your answers. So having discussed the do's and don'ts of note making, I will discuss how to make notes. So how to make the concise notes. The main mantra for your note making exercise should be that add only that information into your notes that you are going to actually use in the examination, in the answer writing process. So this raises the another question: how to arrive at the information that is of actual use, in the answer writing. The answer is very simple: the practicing of answer writing. So you don't have to complete your syllabus to start answer writing, and this answer writing exercise, you don't have to like worry about time management aspect in the initial stages. You are doing this answer writing only to arrive at the information that you are actually required to use while answering a particular answer. So you can arrive at data which you are required to quote while effectively writing an answer, and the main dimensions of any topic that has been asked in that question. So regarding this main dimensions, you will arrive at the headings and subheadings that you are going to use in your note making exercise. And for this answer writing practice exercise, you don't have to join any test series. What you need is syllabus in your hand and previous year's question bank. So you cover a syllabus, you cover a subtopic, and then you pick up the practice questions from the previous year question bank, and then arrive at the information that you need to actually write in the answers. And make this exercise circular exercise, that is of revising, answer writing, and adding to your notes. And I would advise you to make these short notes on Word file or maybe Evernote, which is quite handy in these days. So what this will do, if you make your notes on a computer in electronic format, is that it will help you make your notes concise and consolidate better. So you can take out the redundant information which you feel that it's not useful, or keep on adding useful information as you progress in this circular exercise of revising, answer writing, and note making. So when you are ready with your notes, the problem of time management will solve automatically. When you have information on your tips, the limited information on your tips that you are going to write on in the answer, when you have concise definitions and the right amount of data, which is not very much, let me assure you, and the main points, the time management aspect will automatically come. You need not worry about in the initial stages of answer writing. So after decoding that how to make notes, let me also mention another aspect of information management. Remember, this exam is mostly about information management. So what I find very useful is that the exercise of syllabus mapping. So what syllabus mapping is, that when you open syllabus of UPSC mains exam syllabus, you should be knowing that where the specific topic or subtopic of the syllabus is in your main study material. You should know where to find it. You shouldn't like have to re-revise the whole topic from your study material to arrive at that subtopic. You should know like where, and like in pinpointed way, that where that specific topic is in your study material. Why this is needed is that while you will be writing answers, while you will be practicing answer writing, and you come about, okay, that I need to read upon this subtopic specifically and make those concise notes. So you visit the primary material where all description and understanding aspect is there. You revisit it, and then you add to concise notes only those aspects, key terms, headings, subheadings, that you will be required to answer any question in a very structured manner. And another aspect of information management which people aspirants come across and uh, face challenge with is how to manage information from newspapers which they read on daily basis, which primarily adds to the information overload as well. I will try to address this question in my next video. Use the comment section below to motivate me to make that video, because then I'll know how many people actually require are facing this problem. Summing up my this video, let me conclude by saying that information management is a continuous exercise. It starts from the day one of your preparation and it will go till the very end moments of your writing mains exam. Information management is akin to cleaning your room. Uh, for example, you clean your room. If you're a very tidy person, you might be cleaning your room daily. Or average generally people clean their room once in a week. So you should like make this exercise akin to cleaning your room. Maybe you take your Sunday out and you clean your room, and like you decide that okay, I'll do nothing today, I'll just relax and unwind, and I'll just look at the information management aspect. What it helps is helps in reducing the clutter of the preparation, because this becomes very necessary, because reducing the clutters helps in reducing the anxiety regarding the information overload, which is one of the prime demotivator of this preparation, that you feel overwhelmed with the information overload. And it information management helps in the vital task of enhancing your confidence. So this confidence is very important in this preparation. It it is a vital aspect of the self motivation aspect of this preparation. And I will also make one video on the self motivation aspect, which I have learned through my experience and which will help people aspirants in self motivation aspect. If you liked my video, do like it and share it with your friends who are preparing civil examinations, and do subscribe it, because I'll keep adding various such videos which I have learned from my experience and which will aid aspirants in their preparation. And also check in the description section link to my Telegram group, so I can connect with you guys on the Telegram as well. I'll be sharing various materials and various strategies regarding how to tackle this exam. Thank you.